I had some issues with my teeth that was going on for more than 12 years. And I had work done in Bulgaria, where I'm from originally. And the problem is that there, the work that was done was not perfect. So that was affecting the appearance of my smile as well as the way I was feeling. I was having different symptoms once in a while. And I decided that I have to take care of it in a professional place, a better place. So that's how I started researching for different dental practices, and SoFi Dental came along because it's in my proximity, and I decided to give it a shot. It was quite a different experience from other places that I have been, and I was like, wow, this is a great place to do anything, you know, like I'm not afraid to ask for advice, I'm not afraid to ask for their opinions, and that helped me a lot with feeling good and feeling homey. Something that I want to point out to you was that they took extra care and extra x-rays. They took an x-ray before the procedure, they took an x-ray in the middle of the procedure and after, just to make sure that everything was filled up properly all the way. And that I have never experienced before. So for me that was new, and it assured me that the procedure would be done just perfect.